Hello dear friends, this is Dheeraj Mehta and today I am going to share with you my next presentation slide on the topic calibration of analytical balance and operation of analytical balance. This is Pharma Professional Community channel. Please like, share and subscribe with your all friends. First of all, we should understand why we perform calibration of analytical balance and what type of precaution we should take during weighing so that we overcome cross contamination and we overcome also maximum allowable carryover. These both terms are the cleaning validation term, but if we precaution taking during this weighing techniques so that we overcome this both cases. So please watch my video. I also attach one video to diagrammatically understand so that each student easily understandable the weighing concept and how we weigh any substances. So please watch my video. Hello friends, now we can see that this is the general diagram of a weighing balance. Here we can see that this is the spatula, this is the brush, this is the tissue paper bundle and butter paper plate. These four things are very important during any weighing. First of all, we understand what the work of spatula. By using spatula, we weigh any particular solid substance or powder. By using brush, we clean the surface of pan. By using tissue paper, we clean the spatula surfaces on this side and this side. By using butter paper, we place the butter paper on the circular pan, and by using spatula, we load on the butter paper surfaces and weigh easily. This is the general technique. And for spatula cleaning, we use some solvents like alcohol and acetone. Now we can see that the construction of this weighing balance. This is the switch. This is the glass enclosure. This is the circular pan. This is OT bar switch. This is tare facility button. This is on and off button. This is the screen where we shown that what the weighing perfectly or not. This is the platform where keep this weighing balance on this side. This is the close and open screen. When we weigh any substances, we open this screen, and after weighing we close this screen after cleaning on this side. This is the spirit level to check our weighing pan in particular position or not. Thank you. Hello friends, this is Dheeraj Mehta and today I am going to share with you my next presentation slide on the topic calibration and operation of analytical balance. By me, this is Dheeraj Mehta, Pharma Professional Community channel. Please like, share and subscribe this video and share with your all friends. First of all, we understand what is analytical balance. An analytical balance is a class of balance designed to measure small mass in the sub-milligram range. Construction. The measuring pan of analytical balance is inside a transparent enclosure with doors so that dust does not collect. Any air currents in the room do not affect the balance operation. This is the general diagram of analytical balance. Here we can see that this is the door handle, balance pan, tare button, power button, level adjustment feet and display, level indicator and draft sheet. Principle. Analytical balance are precision measuring instrument. It is used in quantitative chemical analysis to determine the mass of solid object or liquid, powder and granular substance. Use. Analytical balance are highly sensitive lab instrument. It is designed to accurately measure a mass. Their readability has a range between 0.1 mg to 0.01 mg. This is the diagram of one man here. We weight something. Our left side and right side and bottom and top. One enclosure is here so that environmental and temperature control maintaining during the weighing, and proper handling is also important during the weighing. This is the next diagram, and this is the proper handling technique for analytical balance. Here one man wear one mask and one gloves during weighing and use a spatula and weight a measure of particular substance. Precaution. What type of precaution we should take during the weighing? First and foremost, keep the balance calibrated at all times. Ensure approximate environment. Handle the weight properly. Store the weight in the right manner. Take the right measure to weigh the samples. Next, ensure that your spatula is always clean with particular solvent and dry in environment. Always use butter paper. Ensure that your pan is clean or not. Calibration. Switch on the power to the balance and allow it to warm up for about 5 minutes. Check the spirit level of the balance. It should be at the center of circle. If not, adjust this level. Check the reading on the balance. It should show 0.000. Load the following standard weight onto the pan of the balance with the help of forceps and record the individual weight separately. The difference between standard and observed weight should be within the limit specified below. This is the standard weight and this is the allowable variation. Here we can see that 99.99 gram allowable variation 0.1 to 5 gram allowable variation is 0.1%. Calculate the measure uncertainty with 10 gram weight as follows. Measure the weight of 10 gram for 10 times and calculate the standard deviation of the 10 reading as follows. This is the standard deviation general formula where n total number of reading, xi individual reading, x is equal to average of 10 readings. Calculate the uncertainty in measurement as follows. 3 into standard deviation upon weight. Uncertainty should be less than 0.001. If you found this type of result, means our analytical balance is completely calibrated. If the balance fall meet the requirement mentioned above, send the balance for repair and calibrate after repair. If it passes, use it for regular analysis. Enter the details of calibration in calibration form. The calibration shall be checked by second person. Preserve the calibration record for 1 year from the date of calibration. Note: handle the standard weight with forceps. Perform all weighing by placing the weight at the center of weighing pan. Operation. Check for the cleanliness of the balance pan. Do not place any cool or hot substance on the pan. Switch on the instrument. Remove the load present, if any, from the balance pan and then press the on button. If the balance reading shows 0.000, the balance is ready to use. Sample weighing. Place the sample to be weighed on the balance pan. Wait until the stability detector 0 disappears. Note down the reading shown. Tare facility utilization. Place the container on the balance pan. The weight will be displayed. Press the OT bar. Place the sample to be weighing on the container. The net weight will be displayed. After weighing, remove the container from the balance. The tare weight will be shown as negative value. The tare weight remain stored until OT bar is pressed or the balance is switched off. Thank you. If you have any comment or suggestion, please put in comment box. In the next video, I will upload calibration of pH meter and operation of pH meter. So please like, share and subscribe my video channel, Pharma Professional Community. Take care. Goodbye.